Good morning, hello and welcome. I'm at Jason's house and you know what that means? We're going to a stance event. So, we have made it to the car wash. We're doing the honorable thing today. We're getting our cars washed because they're so dirty. And we're going to an actual, like look at this. This is Privates Volume 3 is what we're doing today. Very sick because it's basically an invite only event. So massive shout out to Mika and the guys for inviting us because I feel super honored that they'd want that thing at a stance event. This makes sense, you know, because this is sick. But me, yeah, anyway, shout out to you guys. I appreciate it. I'm very excited. This is going to be a sick day. Approved stance boy, man's got to reverse into the car wash. I'm getting my wake up juice. Oh, I can hear it scraping. Oh, hi there. The missions and things we go through to keep our cars looking good. Such a pain sometimes. There you go, for the nerves.
Oh, appreciate that.
Looking clean now, dude. I'm so proud of you. Then we got some clean white wheels this time. Like, we got a small fan over there who recognized us from the previous car show. Shout out to you, dude, because I asked him which out of the two is his favorite car, and he's like, both of them. But my actual favorite car is my dad's S2000, so 10 out of 10. You could not have answered that better. I don't usually get my car washed. I normally do it myself. There's just something satisfying about seeing it get cleaner and without having to do the work. Like, I'm not that guy, but wow, it's actually really cool. Shout out to you for the invite. Oh man. Although I don't think we'll come here again because we both scraped ourselves. Like that's on us. Nothing wrong with the car wash. Shout out to them. They're still legends. But yo, we need to find something with a flat ground. Clean is done. Fueled up, ready to go. I say fueled up to make it look like I've got money. We didn't put fuel in. We're still driving. We have made it. We cleaned our cars and then we drove on a gravel road, so it was kind of defeats the purpose. At least your wheels are still clean. Well done, boy. Look at this wonderful venue that we've got. It is a beautiful day. Trying to get this boost sticker off because it's just boost now. The T has been covered by the wing and I kind of like I haven't gotten around to it. I've been lazy. Yeah. And there we go, nice and clean. Well, clean is debatable because there's like this fine layer of dust on the car after driving on the gravel road, but it's fine. Hopefully the boys will just edit that out. So I'm just chilling for a bit. They've moved Jason over there. They're basically still like strategically placing the cars, and that's honestly like big shout out to the private guys and Somerset for the way they park their cars. It's literally they keep in mind photographers and videographers, and they basically park the cars so that it's good for content, not just for like squeezing as many in as possible. So massive shout out to you guys for that, and that's why I haven't really started filming yet. I'm kind of just taking it chilled, and you know, once everyone's here and we've parked up and everything is like in place, then I'll go around and get some shots. I'm part of the lazy boy crew today. Two of us are sitting here. We're just overheating. It's too hot. We've got the Swizzle OG over here doing waiting for his channel to drop soon. Like, what's your channel's name? J Swizzle OG. So we're like technically still waiting for golden hour, but it has been a bit of a long day. So some of the guys have actually started leaving, so I just decided to get my shots now. J Swizzle over here got his shots as well. And a lot of people have been standing around my car and getting like a lot of different opinions. Some guys are like, oh, it's something different. Then when I tell them it's actually a drift car, they're like, oh, okay, that makes sense. So I guess, I mean, I agree, it's not for everyone. How did your filming go?
Oh,
All good, all good?
we'll see in post if it's even anything to you.
We got the next, I don't even know what to compare you to. Yes, I need to watch more YouTube. Like, I need to stop posting so much. I need to actually catch up. I'll hold the bush in front of your lens. We make it nice and creative. So, short film shots I've gotten. Oh, wow, I really messed that one up. Short film shots I've gotten. Now we're just taking some photos, waiting for the sun to go down. A lot of the guys are actually like, they're raising their cars again. Looks like they're getting ready to leave. A lot of people are actually leaving. So, but I mean, it was a good turnout and it was a good day. Like we were here since 10. Thank you very much for watching. We're no longer at the event. We decided we'd come here and do some Instagram. Look at this, the legend at work over here. Got a nice secluded spot. I just want to say a massive shout out. Oof, here comes the wind. I want to say a massive shout out to the privates and Somerset guys for inviting us. Mika, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It was a very cool event. It was actually nice to just go to a car event, sit down and like relax for a little bit. And yeah, I think we got some cool shots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit it with a like. Makes YouTube's algorithm happy and I appreciate it very much. Shout out to you as well for being a really cool accompanying homie today, and shout out to all you guys for watching. Thank you very much. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button for more videos, press a notification bell, then you get notifications, which is even better. And if you have already, you're awesome. Continue being awesome, and I will see you in the next video.